A couple meal on my plate. Let's eat. I'm investing in real estate. I just went and gave my mama 100. Probably won't hear me open my mouth unless you hear me talking about finding some money.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here today with a pastel look for Easter, so make sure you guys go ahead and continue to watch. I'm starting off with my Millennium concealer. This one's in the number 155. I don't know which video you're going to see first, probably this one, but I was telling you guys, like, I like this concealer because it's not really watery. So I just like the way it makes my colors look. I'm using the 35i Ice Fantasy, or is it Icy? Icy Fantasy palette from Morphe. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys all of the colors I'm using in order. So I'm going to take the purple first, and then I'm going to use the blue, and then we're going to go straight into the green, this pink, and then this pastel orange. Well, the whole palette is pastel, but the orange. So not that it really matters, but I'm using the E17 for the purple and the blue, and then I'm going to use the M506 for the green, and then another M506 for the pink and orange. This palette is actually really pigmented. I was not expecting it to be this vibrant, but I looked on their website and they took it off. So I don't know if it's just this, if it's out of stock, or if it's just discontinued or what. But Morphe always does that with their good palettes. Not all of them, but they always end up taking them down for some reason. Alright, so there's the purple, and then the blue. I think I showed y'all the wrong green. I'm using, where is it? Oh, I'm using this one right here, not that one. So this one is like more of a lime green, and this one is more of a mint green. Well, actually it's lime green too, but it's a shimmer. But I'm using this one. Y'all see, like, the pigmentation is there. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, blending this green was a little hard. I mean, I don't know, it just doesn't seem to blend into other colors well. I guess, I don't even know how to explain it, but I guess because the other colors don't really, I mean, they complement, like they match, but I really don't know how to explain it. Like, you guys see how the purple and the blue, I don't even know how to explain it, but y'all, this green is, it is giving me a little trouble. You can't really see it, but it's a little patchy. Just a little bit. Not even patchy, actually, it's chalky. That's the word I'm looking for. You can't really see a difference between the pink and the orange. Okay guys, so I added some more green, and as you can see, it's now patchy. Quick tip, even though I was just being lazy and didn't want to do all of that, but if the color isn't really blending how you want it to, I would say take the colors around it and use those to kind of help you blend it out instead of adding more of the color that won't blend, because I did that and now it's patchy. So okay, so at this point I'm gonna just leave the green alone, because it seems like the more I mess with it, the patchier it gets. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Golden. I'm actually really hurt because I bought this for a highlighter shade, but it's too light, and honestly I don't want to paste in it back, so I'm stuck with it, and I'm really upset about that because it looks so bad to me. Alright, I'm gonna take the same pink and just blend out the harsh line over here. Okay, and for the lid color, I'm taking this one at the very bottom. It's just a shimmery champagne color, and I'm gonna pack that on my lid. And then I'm also gonna use a glitter pigment, which I will show you in a few minutes. I'm using this pigment. It's like a white gold mix, white and gold mix. Okay, then I'm using Space Panda, which is a white eyeliner from Suva, which I don't like. I don't like any of Suva's liners really. Mine still crack really bad, and the lady was telling me like maybe you're not using enough water, but I don't care like how watery or not watery I make it, it still cracks. So yeah, I don't recommend Suva. I'm like kind of trying to find like a new company that has some good liners, but yeah, I would not recommend you guys buy Suva. Hate to like really talk bad about a company, but that's just my honest opinion. But yeah, I'm just gonna line my crease with this white eyeliner. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mascara and also my lashes. I'm using these lashes by Xenae in the style Haydia. Since I'm working with pastel colors, I'm gonna take a little bit more of the concealer that I use for a base, and I'm gonna put that underneath my lashes as a base for the purple. Okay guys, I just set with the Morphe continuous setting spray, and for my lips I ended up doing Orchid and just some clear lip gloss from Fearless Faces. Of course this is a clear one, and then Orchid is like this pinkish purplish shade, so I decided to use this one. Alright you guys, so that completes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you in my next one.